Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, March 20, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am good, thank you. And you?
I am very tired. I need one large coffee.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I did not sleep well. I watched television very late.
You need to sleep more. Sleep is important for your health.
I know, but the television show is very good.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have 4 meetings. Sales are very slow right now.
That is difficult. My projects are on time, but I have many emails.
Emails are the worst. Is the coffee ready?
The machine is very slow today.
This old machine needs one new battery.
Yes, it is ready now. Do you want milk?
Yes, please. Much milk and 2 sugars.
Here you go. I drink my coffee black.
You are brave. Black coffee is too strong for me.
It helps me wake up. I need my head clear for my project plans.
I need energy to talk to clients. They are very demanding today.
Take it easy. We just started the day.
I know, but I want to go home already.
You always say that? Drink your coffee.
The coffee is very hot. I will drink it slowly.
That is an excellent idea.
Did you read the news today?
I read a little bit. What did you see?
The U.S. Federal Reserve changed the interest rates.
Really? What did they do?
They announced one drop of 2%.
That 2% drop is very big. That is controversial.
Yes, it is, but it is good for my sales.
Why is it good for your sales?
Because money is cheaper now. People want to buy more things.
That is true. The USA Today article says it helps small businesses.
Exactly. They say it will help over 50,000 small businesses grow.
50,000 businesses is a lot. That is good for the local economy.
I agree. I can sell our products to those 50,000 businesses.
You always think about sales, David.
Of course. I am a sales representative. It is my job.
But some economists are worried. Did you read that part?
Worried? Why are they worried?
They worry about long-term inflation.
Inflation is bad. Prices go up.
Yes, if prices go up, your clients will not buy.
I do not like inflation. I hope the 2% drop works well.
We need to wait and see. Economics is very complex.
I prefer simple things, like selling products and getting my commission.
You are very practical. I like to analyze the long-term effects.
That is why you are an excellent project manager.
Thank you, David. I try my best every day.
And I try to sell as much as possible. Speaking of products, did you see the new smartphone from Tech Corp?
Yes, I saw it in the Washington Post. It is very interesting technology.
The new battery is amazing. I want one phone like that.
It lasts 7 days, right?
Yes, 7 days without charging. My phone dies in 1 day.
My phone also dies very fast. I use it for work all the time.
And the best part is the charging time.
How long does it take to charge?
It only needs 10 minutes to charge.
10 minutes? That is incredibly fast.
I know. I can charge it while I drink my coffee.
That changes the mobile market completely.
Traditional phone manufacturers are very angry.
I understand why. Their batteries are old technology now.
Tech Corp is disrupting the market. I love it.
But the price is very high.
How much is it?
The new device is $1,200.
$1,200? That is too expensive for me.
Yes, $1,200 is much money for a phone.
Maybe I will wait. The price will go down later.
That is smart. New technology is always expensive in the beginning.
I need my commission to buy that phone.
Or you can just charge your old phone more often.
You are right. The 10-minute charge is nice, but $1,200 is too much.
Exactly. We have chargers here in the office anyway.
Yes, but I always forget my cable at home.
You need to be more organized, David.
I know. I will try to remember it next time. Did you hear about the famous pop star?
The singer who canceled her tour? Yes, I read it on CNN.
Her fans are outraged. They are very angry.
I understand the fans. They wanted to see her sing.
She canceled 50 concerts. 50 concerts.
That is massive. Why did she cancel?
She wants to focus on her mental health.
Mental health is very important. The music industry is stressful.
Yes, but 50 concerts is much money lost.
Did she keep the money from the tickets?
No, she refunded the tickets. Each ticket was $200.
$200 per ticket? That is a big refund.
She is losing millions of dollars.
But she is gaining peace of mind? Where is she going?
She is moving to a quiet rural farm.
The farm? That is a big change from the stage.
Yes, and she bought 20 cows.
20 cows? What will a pop star do with 20 cows?
I have no idea. Maybe she will make milk and cheese.
That is very funny, but I respect her decision.
I do too. Sometimes I want to move to a farm with 20 cows.
You love the city and the office?
True, I would miss the coffee machine.
And you would miss talking to me.
Of course. Who will listen to my jokes on the farm? The 20 cows?
The cows will not laugh at your jokes, David.
You're probably right. Cows are very serious animals.
Yes, they are. They just eat grass all day.
Eating grass sounds very boring. I prefer eating pizza.
Pizza is definitely better than grass.
Well, my coffee is empty.
Mine too. We need to start working.
I have my next meeting in 5 minutes.
Is it a meeting with this new client?
Yes, it is a very important new client.
Good luck with your sales today. Be confident.
Thank you. Good luck with your project emails.
Thank you. I have 30 emails to read on my computer.
30 emails? That is terrible.
It is normal for a project manager. Let us hope for zero inflation today.
And let us hope for the $1,200 bonus.
Have a good day, David.
See you later, Alex.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.